Ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, how my snipers doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, today we're going to be talking about the one, the only, legendary, you guessed it, Zebec Network. Listen, we do have a few things to talk about. I think that we haven't done news in the last 2 days as I have been busy, and as you know, there hasn't been the most that's been happening, but mainly because I've been busy with some other stuff as well. But look, we are back. We have some news to talk about. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. I know I am for sure. Listen, all right. Zebec Network said this: a major milestone for stablecoin utility in Europe. All Unity Stable has selected Zebec Enterprise to power Europe's first on-chain government benefits distribution program using EU RAU on Stellar Org. The program brings regulated digital euros into employment or employee benefits and enterprise payments with plans to expand payroll and workforce payouts across all Unity ecosystem. Okay, 105,000 views, 1,000 likes. So first off, right, this is absolutely huge. This is absolutely amazing thing. It is an amazing thing. My apologies. I was already thinking about the next thing I was going to say, which another milestone that should be happening for Europe is to get some air conditioners, because I heard you guys are way behind Canada and America. But anyways, that's a little side note. Let's open this. Let's see how much of a read this is. So when we go and look down, we can see overall we scroll. I mean, it's basically a 1 to 2 minute read. So let's just jump right into it. So all Unity and Zebec deploy EURAU powered employee benefits and enterprise payment solutions on Stellar. Right, Frankfurt, Germany, Business Wire, All Unity, and Zebec today announced the launch of an EU RAU based employee benefits and enterprise payments program on Stellar Network. I feel like I just read the same thing like 7 times in a row. The pilot program aims to expand payroll and workforce payments in all Unity's regulated Euro stablecoin across its ecosystem, including its major enterprise clients and partners. Built on Stellar and powered by EU RAU, all Unity's regulated Euro stablecoin, the program combines regulated digital currency with enterprise grade payroll and payments infrastructure purpose built for global value transfer. Employees participating in the pilot can receive benefits directly to digital wallets while accessing a growing range of spending, savings, and payment options through Zebec platform. Regulated stablecoins are increasingly moving from financial infrastructure to real-world business applications, said Simon, CEO of Zebec Network. This pilot brings together EURAU, the payment infrastructure of the Stellar Network, and Zebec's payroll platform to support employee benefits, contractor payments, and workforce disbursements in an enterprise environment. With initiatives like global remittances, tokenized assets, and institutional market infrastructure, Stellar has become one of the most important networks for connecting stablecoins to real world financial activity. And guess what? Who's there? Zebec right beside them, right? Stellar has become one of the most important networks for connecting stablecoins to real world financial activity. And again, Zebec is right beside them. So again, guys, this is what I mean. Zebec positions themselves very, very well. And this is why I also believe they're super, super undervalued. And in the last video, I basically also described how when Bitcoin was at 115K, Zebec was at 0.04. When Bitcoin was at 79K in recent times, Zebec was at 0.04, meaning the ratios are getting better. So I'm telling you, when the next wave does come in of these pumps, of everything, Zebec will move much harder, much faster, and much better. The next phase of stablecoin adoption will be driven by practical business applications, said Alexander, CEO of All Unity. Employee benefits and payments are natural use cases for regulated digital currencies. Our pilot with Zebec demonstrates how EU RAU can support real world financial operations while meeting the enterprise grade standards of compliance, transparency, and reliability. The Zebec payroll infrastructure is designed to scale, ready to support EU RAU streaming across the All Unity ecosystem and includes a growing network of enterprise and institutional participants spanning
This used to
financial
sleeping
services. Okay. Oh, my apologies if you did hear that. Fintech and corporate sectors across Europe. About All Unity. All Unity is a regulated e-money institute building Europe's digital payments infrastructure for instant cross-border payments, digital asset markets, and seamless liquidity flows established by DWS, Flow Traders, and Galaxy. All Unity delivers fully backed MICAR compliant stable coins. Right, we have a couple over here that provide regulatory certainty about robust reserve backing for secure, frictionless capital movement across markets. About Zebec Network, and we know what Zebec Network is, right? So we're not going to go through that. But just in case you're new, actually, I always forgot about the new viewers. Zebec Network is a real-time payroll and payments infrastructure company powering programmable value flows for businesses and consumers. Originally launched as a pioneer into streaming payroll, Zebec has evolved into a multi-chain financial infrastructure network spanning payroll, payments, cards, treasury management, and consumer financial applications. Again, guys, right? The one thing I do want to point out, it has evolved, right? There's a very, very smart team behind this. They saw an opportunity to take the advantage and initiative of basically evolving and developing into what they are today. You got to realize most cryptos would not do that. Okay. So just be, aware of that. We will talk about some of the basics, right? We will talk about some of the basics. We can see Bitcoin's at $60,000 more or less. We can see that we are ranked 112 at 8,148 active cryptos. In the last month, we're down 18+%. In the last week, 6.5%. In the last 24 hours, we are basically down 2.5%. When we go and look at something like the holders, we can see that we're consistently rising, right? We can see the previous day was 108,571 holders. We're up roughly 13 on the day. Not bad, not anything great, but guess what? We're still continuing to rise despite market conditions. We can see when we go and look at the top 100, if we go all the way down over here, right, we can see that the top cryptos, or near the top 100, my apologies, are roughly like 350 million market cap to 320, right? From 100 to 90, 94, right? There's a 20 million market cap space, 30 million market cap. When we go right below, we can see it goes down, right? And in ranking, we are 234. So there is a decent market cap to get back to top 100. If we were to hypothetically get another 40 million market cap, that would put us right on the edge. That would put us at 102 at this current moment. If we did, let's just say, get another 100 million, which would be 334 million. Again, I think we would be at what, 97th or something. So look, there is a decent amount of market cap to basically be put back into the markets for us to make the top 100. The reason why I bring this up is because people were curious. How in God's name can I lose what I was looking for? How did I just go? I genuinely just blanked out. How did I just go from, there we go. That's the previous page. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay. My apologies. I lost my train of thought. But look, right? 330 million market cap, that would be 100 million more market cap for us, and we would be ranked 98th, right? So a lot of market cap to climb back up. Not the most to get close to top 100, but definitely a good amount to get into the top 100, right? So yeah, that's all I want to say. Let's see how the top 80 is doing. The border 470 million. So yeah, it's going to take a little bit more, right? But I definitely do feel like Zebec is overall trending towards the upside. I remember days where we're talking about it was 160, 150, 140, 130, 120. Then we kind of jumped from 120 to like 90 something, and then we slowly start to backtrack a little bit. But you have to realize that when you look at all of Zebec's history, there's been times where we've been at even like 110 and we went back to 140, but now our averages are like 115. So the averages are still getting better. That is it though, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Goodbye.